Hi, this video is about how to schedule your backups in the Acronis self-service backup from HA Hosting. You get into the control panel for Acronis backup. You can go to the hahosting.com website, click login. That will take you to our HA Hosting portal, and then you go to services backup. Self-service backup. You'll see the backup there. Click on the cog access backup control panel and click that, and you should log in. Okay, here we are in the Acronis control panel. You'll have to enter your usernames and passwords. Because I'm already logged in, it's taking me straight here. So first of all, we're going to select our devices, select the device that we wish to amend the schedule for, and then click protect, click to expand the backup. Okay, the current schedule is Monday to Friday at 1:45 p.m. Okay. We go to the three dots up here, click edit, okay. Then click on the schedule. The backup schedule is on. So if it was off, you would just be running manual backups. And then you come down to this section, we can choose monthly, weekly, daily, or hourly backups to schedule. So we're on weekly currently, 1:45 p.m. Let's change it to 3:45 p.m. You've got various other options here. What we're going to do now is click. Before we do that, so what we can do is look at the different options. So if you require an hourly backup, you can set that under hourly, run every 1 hour from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. and you can make changes as you require. Daily backup, run Monday to Friday or run every day. Give it a start time, and you can also set a date range when you want it to run the daily backup to when you want it to stop running the daily backup, and various other options there which are in a later video. Weekly we've looked at, monthly, so you can have this run for all months, or you can select the months where there's particular months where you require the backup. Here's the day of the month you can set, so if you want it on the 1st, the 17th, and last day, you can do that. Or you can do it each day of the week. Time to start the backup, and again, whether you want to run in a specific date range. So we'll click done, and we'll go back. Something to remember is that for each backup, so a monthly, weekly, or daily backup, they all have different retention periods by default. So retention period is how long the backup is kept. So while we're in edit mode, you can click on this one, and here we are, how long to keep the backups. Monthly by default is 6 months. You can change that. Weekly is 4 weeks by default. Again, change that. And daily is kept 7 days. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you found it useful, please come along and have a look at the rest. There's a whole series of videos on how to work with our Acronis self-service backup product. Thanks very much. Goodbye.